What's up, beautiful queen? How y'all doing? What's up, y'all? Charlotte. Okay, I see y'all buying badges tonight. ATL, Chi-Town. What's up, Watts? Delaware in the building. Okay. Afghanistan in here. Okay. We got New York in here. It's our turn. Just got a contract. Okay. Let's go. Shout out to Miss Buxton. Just got her first contract. Miss Buxton 7. Salute. Congratulations. Hey, listen, man. I be proud of everybody I see getting paid. I had a couple people send me some DMs. I didn't even post them yet, but like, here's a $23,490 deal. Somebody just sent me like yesterday. Yeah, ronaproof been on fire, and I don't even put all these testimonials up. It's still stuff like this that's crazy. Look at this, like $24,000 in the middle of a pandemic somebody made from home. My training is the best in the business. We get the best results. Men lie, women lie. You know, I just show y'all the facts, right? You can just read the comment, what he say to me. I'm gonna cut the comments off so y'all can read it. Y'all see what he's saying? Ronaproof. You see what it is? He said he don't know what Biden talking about, but he made 23K using ronaproof. No cap. He said I don't know what Biden talking about, but I know you got that check coming for your boy for real. We got my students getting paid real money out here. Ronaproof, we out here making real money. The link is in my bio to register. You can go to ronaproof.com and sign up right now. I love when I see y'all come in and say that y'all done came and got game and it's been life-changing information. If you want to join the actual course, you go to ronaproof.com/join. Your prop stream is $97 a month after the 7-day trial. And use the data. You got 10,000 records you can use for $97 plus all the access to that data. Use it. Anything I do is a gem dropper. If you come to my free training, you'll see how much I give away my free training. You can imagine what I do in my free training, how good that is, and how much money people make in my free training. You can imagine what's inside my course. Very quick to sign up. Takes you less than 30 seconds to be able to sign up. Correct. Yo, what's up with you, fam?
Bro, what's popping with you, G? Man, I've been following you, you know what I'm saying? Just watching your movement, man. You've been doing some shit in the past year, for sure.
Stepping,
for real, bro. For real.
stepping.
For real. Before you even started blowing the ronaproof stuff up, I think I had first came across you, I had tapped into Max like a year and a half ago or something like that. And then I fell on to you, you know what I'm saying? And then got into your pops a little bit, you know what I mean? But shit, your ass been going heavy though. You done took it to another dynamic. I salute you on that for sure, dog. So yeah, shit, I'm looking to lock up this one property right now. I'm in Tennessee, Middle Tennessee. I'm acquiring it from an investor though, not necessarily somebody that's in a distressed situation. But you know, with them pushing off like foreclosures to I think like June now, end of June or something like that.
They're pushing back.
Are you just focused on like vacant properties or what?
No, I'm still focused on everybody. You always be marketing because just because somebody's got a moratorium or foreclosure don't mean that the person might not still do something now.
Oh,
Like,
really?
yeah, like the marketing doesn't change. I'm still aggressively marketing to everybody. Even though I understand that, look, my conversation would be like, look, I understand that, yeah, there's a moratorium. So that means we got more time to be able to settle something where you can actually still, you know, make moves that could make sense for your family. But the reality is once it's removed, then guess what? You're back on the clock and you're going to potentially lose this property. So what I want to do is I want to take this time that we have now to make sure we can get all our ducks in a row to be able to, you know, give you the best possible solution, which, I mean, ultimately, you know, either you're going to either have to come up with the money that you're behind or do what? You got to sell.
Got to sell. People probably still want to get some of that weight up off their shoulders before it get too deep or deeper.
Yeah, 100%. We're still marketing.
Well, shit, King, keep doing your thing, man. I'm going to keep being a student.
Hey, bro, appreciate you, dog. Peace.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up with it, Tony?
What's up, dog?
I'm cool, Z, man. How you living?
Man, just chilling.
That's
You
good.
know,
That's good, man. I'm
let,
surprised you added the nigga. Goddamn it.
hey, look, man, I be showing love. As long as you don't look like a weirdo, like I be having to
Oh,
make sure,
I ain't know none of that shit. Z.
a couple of these dudes be looking like they be up here on some,
Yeah, they got a lot of goofies out here in this world. So, but I be
yeah.
watching y'all, boy, man. I be soaking in the game. Y'all be giving out, man. Nigga be needing that shit though. That shit legit though. Real
Even on
talk.
that $1 million worth of game, it sounds like, where you from?
I'm from Louisiana, Butler Town to be exact. Amen, Louisiana.
Oh yeah, hit the boy in that boot.
Shit, the dirty south. But I'm originally from Chicago though, on the cool.
From Chicago and then go to the boot.
Worse, and I lived in it like I was the best.
You and you were from 1 to 1.
But I ain't gonna lie, people look at them like that, but at the end of the day, they really beautiful places to visit though. A lot of people just look at it from on the outside looking in. It ain't all about war. They got some beautiful shit, but they gotta understand. We just adjusting to our lifestyle. We're a product of our environment. It ain't what we want to do. Is we gotta just adjust to our life.
That's a fact. It's the right mindset. You go out there and handle your business, you can get paid. It's simple.
It's all about a dollar, man. That's what makes the world go round. And for some niggas, it's pussy. Niggas be weak out
That's
here.
all they focus on. That's why they lost.
Niggas be weak out here.
Yep. That's why they'll be
I'm
lost.
believe you to it, though, man. Appreciate you for accepting my call, man. You stay up.
Hey, yeah, be safe, brother. Keep going.
Always.
All right, peace.
Oh my gosh. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
I'm trying to buy the course because I've heard so many good things about you. And I've been following you for a little bit too. And I'm ready to get started and just make this investment. But I think the website froze. I went ahead and activated a card that I said I wasn't going to use yet, but I went ahead and activated it just so I could get the course.
Oh, so you joining in tonight? She ready?
Yeah. It's more than a little bit on the investment though, but I'm ready to hit that 6 figures.
She said, I did my first deal under stress and my dude hating. Get it done. There you go. Got your first deal either way. People from all walks, all shades, all experiences, no experience, no matter where you live, there's people being successful. We have a huge network and a group and a community that now is really touching so many different places. It makes it easier for our newer members to come in and even find accountability groups and other people to assist them along their journey as well. So I think it's really, really cool. And I love seeing people understanding that real estate is the key to getting the generational wealth and how we can use wholesaling as that strategy that you can get in and build up cash flow and capital, and then you can start expanding to buying and holding and fixing and flipping properties and things of that nature is ultimately the goal. So to just continuously teach people ways that they can use strategies that simply aren't taught in school. Think about how powerful it is to be able to say, hey, listen, I'm teaching you a strategy and how to actually market and talk to people, even if you have no experience at all, as if you do have experience, to be able to make a deal that could pay you potentially 12 to 20 plus $1,000. I mean, we got a guy that just sent me a check today. He made $23,450. That's one deal. And this is something that you can do repeatedly. You can do multiple in a month. Like, there's no limit. There's no cap. It's understanding your marketing, being strategic, and how many offers you make per day. Mm-hmm. And I literally give, inside the course, it's detailed, it's structured, it's placed, in order.
I got it. I'm in.
Oh, yeah, I see you. I seen you just popped up on my screen. Yep.
Yep. I had to refresh the page. I was like, what's going on? It's not working.
Somebody said, Ricky Bobby said, sounds like a Ponzi scheme. And that's the problem. The lack of education makes you think ignorant shit. When you're not informed, when you haven't been educated, you'll sit back and not question working for somebody that pays you minimum wage, but then you don't look at and learn strategies that simply are out here that you just haven't been informed about. Welcome to the ronaproof gang. We're going to make some money. Now is actually implementing and doing the process. And because I think a lot of people, they get in and they start doing the work through a video or two, and they're like, okay, let me take notes. Let me get all my notes together. What my course is designed to do is to actually do it as you go along with us. So we do something, you implement it right away. So what you'll find is that in a week, you'll be already marketing to sellers. You'll literally be messaging and having conversations with people, and you'll be like, oh shit, I'm about to make my first offer.
See, that's what I want. There's so much information out there, and I've just been confused. Like a little backstory about me. I come from a family of immigrants. My mom passed away not too long ago, and I stepped up and took over our first property in America. This is the only one we kept. It's a triplex. Explored like the HELOC option and like different options. I'm like, let me just like pick somebody and just go with that. Somebody who's reputable. And go with that and learn something.
Hey,
I
look,
saw
I
the
know.
price. I said, no problem. Let's do it. Let's make some money. So awesome. Well, thank you, Tony. Thank you for your time.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Welcome to the ronaproof gang. Let's go.
All right. I'm excited.